Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Phantom Wallet with Autosnipe AI. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to use my desktop, but you can even follow the same steps in your Phantom Wallet mobile application. Now, you need to simply open the web browser of yours, and here you need to simply search for Phantom. You can even use Chrome Web Store, and here you can type Phantom Wallet in order to find its extension. Here you need to click on the download for Chrome option and it will redirect you on this page where you need to click on the add extension option and wait for some time until you see Phantom Wallet extension in your web browser. Afterwards, you just have to simply log in into your Phantom wallet, or if you haven't already created your account on Phantom, I would recommend you to create one and deposit some Solana into it. If you don't know how to deposit Solana into your Phantom wallet, then you just have to simply click on the receive option, and here you need to copy the address of Solana from your Phantom wallet. Then you can use any other exchanges or the wallets from where you can easily send Solana into your Phantom wallet. Now, once you have successfully set up your Phantom wallet, now is the time to link your Phantom wallet with Autosnipe AI. Now, you can use the link that is given in the description in order to save 10% on trading fees on this platform. Now, once you are on Autosnipe AI, you will get the option of connect and snipe. So you need to simply click on this option and wait for some time until this type of pop-up comes in front of you. Now, once you see this type of pop-up, you just have to simply click on the confirm option. And once you click on the confirm option, you just have to wait for some time until it shows you your Solana balance in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, by default, it will be 0. You will have to deposit some Solana from your Phantom wallet to your Autosnipe AI wallet. And now your Phantom wallet is successfully connected with Autosnipe AI. Now you can easily deposit the Solana into your Autosnipe AI and start using this platform and start trading meme coins based on Solana with the help of AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.